Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Baslan, February 21, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. First row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come. These cells, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, third row, column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come. These cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column A, column B, first row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. First row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 3, 9. Second grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 3. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, column G, column F, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 8. Second row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row and second grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 4 numbers are remaining 6, 3, 8, 4. Fifth row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A, 4 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 8, 9. 8th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column A, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column D, we have pair numbers 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. The 3 number can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells. 7th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 8. Column G, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 8th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Or column I, 7th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th row, and 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade, 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. 6th grade, column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 2nd grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 4th row, column D, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.